If you're experiencing login issues with Uber One, follow these simple steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem quickly. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your device is connected to a stable internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the issue persists. Step 2. Update the Uber app. Make sure you have the latest version of the Uber app installed. Go to your device's app store, search for Uber, and update if necessary. Step 3. Reset your password. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SRP to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 4. Clear app cache. For Android users, go to Settings, find the Uber app and clear the cache. For iOS users, you may need to uninstall and reinstall the app to clear the cache. Step 5. Contact Uber support. If none of the above steps work, reach out to Uber's customer support for further assistance. You can do this through the app or their website. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any login issues with Uber One. If problems persist, don't hesitate to seek help from Uber's support team.